So, if you follow me on Instagram, then this might look a little familiar to you. That's right, I have a 3D printer. I've really been wanting one for a long time, and I finally decided to purchase one. So, they were having a big sale, so that's why I got it, was because it's a very expensive in my opinion. It's probably not, as far as 3D printers go, it's probably not that expensive, but it was very expensive, and then it went on sale, so I bought one. But yeah, so I thought maybe you would like to unbox it with me, maybe, and see how it works, see if we can get it set up and hopefully not, burn my house down or destroy anything. But yeah, it is the Sculpto Pro2. That's what it's called. Yeah, Sculpto Pro2 3D printer. And I also have my iPad. I downloaded the app onto it, so we're gonna take a look at that. Just all kinds of things. But anyway, just so let's get it open, I guess, and see what we're dealing with. Okay, here are all the things that were in the box. There's, of course, the 3D printer, 2 filaments, one of which is orange. I'm super excited there's an orange one. This is the printing plate. There's an Allen key screwdriver, a tiny screwdriver. I'm not sure what these plastic pieces are. They must, oh, I do know what that is actually. That is the stand that holds the filament roll. So that's what that is. And then the power plug, of course, in 2 parts, and instructions. So yeah, I'm gonna try and figure out how to put this together. Starting with these instructions. So yeah, we will go read these and then we will figure out how to set all this up and hopefully not break anything or, like I said earlier, burn my house down. I knew we weren't going to get through this without breaking something. It was assembling the filament holder and this little thing broke. It might not be essential because it's got 2 legs. Maybe I'll try and glue it. Oh, that sucks. That's what happens when you're a bull in a china shop, i.e. me. And as you can see, the directions say when it is flashing yellow, which it is ready to be set up and connected. So we are going to move to iPad view. All right, once it's finally out of the box, we can start the arduous task of setting up the app with the printer and failing to figure out how to sync a Thingiverse login. Yay! So I made a Sculpto account and synced up with the machine to the app. It was all pretty straightforward, discovering the device, connecting to Wi-Fi, and presto magic, we're ready to calibrate the Z-axis, which involves twisting the threaded rod at the back of the machine manually to adjust the height of the printing nozzle until putting a piece of regular computer paper underneath will cause friction with the nozzle, but the paper will still move freely underneath it. After that, it's time to put in the filament. It took me a few attempts to get it to feed properly. I saw that others had a lot of trouble with this part as well when I looked it up online. And the best advice I have is to actually push the filament into the machine harder than you think you should. Because that's when the machine eventually ate the filament for me, as it calls it. When I had really shoved the end into the feeder and kept pushing it so hard, I was kind of afraid I'd break something. As for logging into Thingiverse to find plans through the app to print, no matter what I did, it always timed out and wouldn't log into my Thingiverse account. Apparently this is a very common problem, however, but to circumnavigate this irritating little roadblock, you can download whatever STL file you want to use, then go to the printer section in the app, tap the gear in the upper left-hand corner, and select Print STL File. It will allow you to select and upload your file as long as it's smaller than 125 megabytes, I believe, and it will print from that. I'm still trying to figure out how to attach the app to my Thingiverse account. If anyone knows how to get this to work or what I'm doing wrong, please tell me in the comments, because it's really frustrating having to use a workaround for what should be something that's relatively user-friendly. Also, this printer does this funny thing before it will print anything where it lights up different colors, and you have to input the colors in the same order in the app to confirm that you are present in the room with the printer. Sort of like unlocking a lock screen. It's like the printer forces you to play Simon Says before it will do anything, which I think is utterly hilarious. And I'm probably going to call this machine Sencho-san from now on because of that. Anyway, eventually I did get something to print. A little pair of headphones for my custom selfie Monster High doll. Though I did accidentally break them while cleaning the supports off, so I'll have to try to be a less bull in China shop-y in the future. But it's nothing a little two-part epoxy can't fix though. And with that, the machine is set up and I even got something to print. Hooray! Let me know if you're interested in seeing more videos about 3D printing, or maybe some modeling if I can figure out how that works. And hopefully this will be a fun new tool to use in my videos. Please like and subscribe to see what fun things come next, and until my next video, I'll see y'all later. Bye!